All right, here we are. We finally finished everything. We are doing stacked enchiladas. I love these. I used to eat these all the time when we lived in New Mexico, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Traditionally, when you get a stacked enchilada over there, you get a fried egg on top. So good. So let me show you real quick how we're gonna do this. I like to take my plate. We have made the homemade red enchilada sauce with our frozen bueno chili, okay? And if you go to our website, on our YouTube channel, excuse me, you will have all the instructions on how to do it. And then, so you put a little sauce on the bottom of your plate, then you get a corn tortilla that we have already cooked in a little bit of oil and got it soft and then crispy on the edges. And then this is hamburger meat that we have cooked, and it is seasoned with garlic salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. And sweet onion, but I don't put it in until after the meat is all cooked because I like it just a little crisp. So then we put this, and then we use Kojak cheese, which is a blend of Colby cheese, the yellow cheese, and Monterey Jack. So delicious. And guess what else? We're gonna put a little bit more sauce on here and spread it around. And then we're gonna go back here. We're gonna put a little bit of lettuce, and I'm gonna tell you, the only kind of lettuce that I use on stacked enchiladas is iceberg lettuce because it's got that wonderful crisp to it. Then you're gonna go back and you're gonna get a little bit more meat. I like to do meat first on this next layer. You can do it however you want. That's what the joy of cooking is. Make it what works for you. Then I go over, get a little sauce, spread it around. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? Then you're gonna get your cheese and put some cheese on there. Stacked enchiladas. I'm telling you, they are the absolute best of the best. And then you gotta have that lettuce again. I'm telling you, it is amazing. And guess what? On goes the fried egg. Look at that, look. They give it a little poke, and there you go. Yolk and all. You guys, please go to our YouTube channel, Mixin' with Robin. Look up the recipe for the enchilada sauce, for the meat, for how we did the corn tortillas. And then fry that egg the way you like it, but enjoy. This is delicious. And thank you. And as always, thanks for joining us. And remember, every day is not gonna be a good day, but there's good in every day. Find the good and share a plate of stacked enchiladas with someone.